Get up.
I don't have any arrows anymore. If we can get to any.
There's one in front of Alma.
Yeah, I just can't get there. I'll get stabbed if I go. Thank you, Archer.
Alright, good.
Come on, Tom.
Merci. Go on, Isaac. Ouais, son miss. Heavy, come through. Weapon. Heavy, let the shield through. Arm.
Bounce off 2 shields first. Okay?
I'm almost dead.
Are you all right?
Je sais pas c'est quoi qui m'a pogné, mais calisse.
Jordan, lift your right foot. Jordan, lift your right foot. Thank you.
You okay?
If you like that.
That's all? You alright, Mama?
Archer, left side. I'm with you, Tyrion.
Here, get up there, get up there.
Both, you're on both sides.
Shield.
Julian, step back.
There are areas that goes.
We'll pull it back.
GoPro.
Yep. Yeah, they pushed over it. Oh, it's blocking them, but it's blocking for them.
C'est un des coups les plus profs que j'ai eu dans
C'est une flèche, je pense.
C'est une flèche, toi?
She really let you have it.
Essaye de pouvoir regarder ici entre les deux. C'est pas c'est qui, mais
Monster coming. Back up.
OK. We take this. Push what we can.
Push, 2, 3, 4.
Give ground.
5, 6, 7, 8. Nine, 10.
Dead.
Carrément, il faut toucher la tête.